Welcome to the Aston Martin Vantage GT3, attractive touring icon blending British elegance with raw ferocity. Launched in 2024 alongside its road-going twin, this GT3 spec beast is a limited production marvel, priced above $500,000, crafted for collectors and racers chasing glory. It's Aston's motorsport heritage distilled into a relentless machine. The exterior is pure aggression, sculpted for speed. Its bonded aluminum chassis, draped in carbon fiber, keeps weight below 1,300 kilograms. A massive front splitter and dive planes feed air to the gaping grille, while flared arches house 19-inch magnesium wheels with Pirelli slicks. The towering rear wing, adjustable for downforce, churns over 800 kilograms at speed, paired with a carbon diffuser and quad titanium exhausts that roar like thunder. Signature Aston strakes flow into liveried paint, think sterling green with lime accents or bespoke Le Mans-inspired wraps. Adaptive LED headlights and aero-optimized mirrors slice drag, making it a visual predator that owns every angle. Inside, the cockpit is a driver's fortress. A carbon tub cradles a fixed Alcantara bucket seat with a 6-point harness. The minimalist dash blends a digital cluster with an analog touch, glowing with telemetry, lap times, tire data, boost levels. Carbon and titanium trim strip away excess, and a sequential paddle shift lever sits within reach. No infotainment, just a comms panel, fire suppression, and a quick-release steering yoke etched with Aston's wings. Red ambient lighting sharpens focus, immersing you in race-ready intensity. Performance is electrifying. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, hand-built by Mercedes-AMG, unleashes 600-plus HP and 800 Nm, hitting 7,500 RPM with a primal growl. The 6-speed sequential gearbox shifts in milliseconds, sprinting to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. KW adaptive dampers and carbon ceramic Brembo brakes deliver razor-sharp handling and fade-free stops. Aero-tuned for 200-plus mph, it conquers tracks like Silverstone with F1-derived precision. This is Aston's Track King. Like, subscribe, comment your dream racer, and keep the revs high.